Today on Customer States, we look at the worst mechanical nightmares that are guaranteed to give you a headache. Let's begin. This customer brought their vehicle in a few months ago for an oil change. Then on the highway blew a hole in the motor and caught on fire from the oil, demanding the mechanic pay for a new Ford RS.
Oh yeah, Ford, oh yeah. There's a hole in the block, my guy. After it spilled its guts on the highway, said guts caught fire and roasted the back of the car. Tip tag's good though.
This customer brought their vehicle in for a new alternator and then sent this video to the mechanics claiming that they put in a bad alternator and wanted his money back.
All right. $12.5 with the car off, right? All over the place. Let's take it off. Let's reset it. Bad alternator. What kind of alternator did you put in my car?
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they had just installed rotors and brake pads, securing them with Gorilla Glue, and were confused why the car was making noises when braking. This customer's transmission grenaded itself, causing a pretty big mess. These new Hondas were recalled for a trailing arm bolt. The only way to replace the part is to remove the bolt, and half of them can't be removed. This is an example of one that can't be removed, which is then completely written off. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they installed their own exhaust, but thought they could hear something knocking afterwards, and wanted them to check out his installation.
Not on the rubber there. They've crimped that down. They've crimped that down. And then they're holding it up with fucking Sizal. The fuck?
This customer states that they felt a knock when driving on the highway and no longer can get the car to turn on. The customer tried changing the oil and even jumping the car and couldn't get it to start.
Customer stated he felt a knock on the highway and his car doesn't turn on anymore. Yeah, I think I see the problem here.
This customer brought their car in stating that it's been overheating for no reason and wanted it fixed quick and easy.
Yeah,
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they downshifted into second doing 80 miles an hour, and the pressure plate did this.
Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Six pressure plate bolts in there.
This old lady brings her vehicle in every 100 miles for an oil change.
This here is an old lady. Comes in every 6 months for her oil change. And since 6 months ago, she's put on 200. This thing rolls away all the time. She's put on 200 kilometers. See what color it is. Yeah.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car isn't starting. It didn't take the mechanics long to find out why. This customer came in demanding wheel spacers and refused to be upsold on anything else, like maybe a control arm to control the vehicle from not killing you.
Amazing. A shiny new hub in there. Sheesh.
This customer returned angry that after the mechanic rotated their tires, there was a new clunking noise. The noise had nothing to do with the tires, and was actually more so the fact that they hit something in the undercarriage.
So this is the source of your noise. Looks like it got hit something on the road. This bracket is not straight. It's supposed to go through the hanger. And this heat shield is rubbing on the exhaust, and even the exhaust is dented here.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.